the number of offices available that have a floor greater than 75. So 75 is here, isn't it? Okay, so greater than 75, basically we just need to work out the area of each of these bars and total them up. That'll tell us how many we've got. So here, the area, well, 75 to 100 is 25, so that's actually 25 wide there, and 4 high, so 25 times 4 is 100. The next bar then, you've got 25 wide again, 6 high, so 25 times 6 is 150. 25 wide the next bar, and that's actually 7 high, so 25 times 7 is 175. And the next bar then, well, 150 to 200 is 50, and it's 2 high, so 50 times 2 is 100. So we're just going to add all these up then to work out how many offices are there. Okay, so if I do that, 100 and 100 is 200, 350, 450, 525. Okay. B then says Office Space Wales charges £200 arrangement fee when any of the offices with a floor area of up to 100 metres are let. Assuming they're all let, how much will they receive? So 100 metres squared or less. Well, 100 metres squared or less, well, there's 100 there, but we've also got to include these as well, haven't we? Okay, so what's the area of this here? So 75 times 1 is 75. So 100 metres squared or less, 175 offices. Okay, so if they sell them for £200, okay, or fee of £200, it'd be 175 times 200. Well, 175 times 2 is 350. And then, of course, don't forget to add the 2 zeros on there. So it'll be 35,000. Certainly the true or false. There are definitely no offices available with less than 10 metres squared of space. Well, if you look here, 10 metres squared is, what, around here somewhere, isn't it? And there could be, couldn't it? There could be offices that small, okay? Because this group here essentially covers offices available between 0 and 75. So there could be, it doesn't have to be any there, but there could be. So this is false, isn't it? Can't say for definite. The modal class of office space is between 125 and 150. Now remember, modal just means mode. 125 and 50. So 125 and 150 is there. So is that the modal? Well, yeah, okay, because it's got the biggest area. So it's got the biggest amount of offices in there. So that's true. The number of offices over 100 is double the offices under 100. So over 100 is what we got here. 150, 175, 100. That's over 100. So that adds up to 425. And then you've got under 100, 175. So no, it's not double. Okay, it's more than double, isn't it? So that's false. There is enough information in the histogram to allow us to calculate an exact value for the mean office space. Now exact, no, not exact, because this is group data, isn't it? Remember, group data, so we don't know the distribution of it. Okay, we could work out an estimate for the mean by choosing the midpoint, but it'll only be an estimate, so that's false. The number of offices under 50 is definitely the same as the number of offices over 175. So over 175 will be here. Okay, so they say in the number of offices over 175 is the same as under 50, which is here. Well, no, you can't tell that, can you? You might reason here that there could be 50 here, yeah, because that's 2/3 of the group, and you might reason there's 50 there because that's half of this group, but you can't tell the distribution of the offices. It could be that there's a load of offices here at the lower values, or there's a lot more here in the high values. You can't say that that's exactly true. So again, we're false. Part D, it says it's reported that the median size of the office space available to let is 80 metres squared. Is this true for the offices that are available to let? So the median, well, in total, if you think about it, we've got, if you add these up, right, So we had 525 there, didn't we, for all of these, plus the 75, that's 600 offices. 600 offices, so that means if you've got 600 offices, the median will be the 300th office. Now let's look at where the 300th office is. Okay, so we've got 75 there, 100, so that's 175. 150 then will take me to 325. Now, the median office is going to be in here somewhere, isn't it? Think about it, because there's 600 offices, 300th office will be the median one. So it can't be the 80th. They're saying 80 square meters. Can't be 80 square meters. 80 square meters would be here, because the median office will be in here somewhere, because that'll be the 300th office. So no, the median will lie somewhere between 100 and 125 square meters.